How to add Emmet in Visual Studio Code. In this quick video, I'll show you how to add and use Emmet in Visual Studio Code to speed up your HTML and CSS coding. Let's get started. First, you should know what is Emmet. Emmet is a powerful toolkit that lets you write HTML and CSS super quickly using shortcuts. And the best part is Visual Studio Code has built-in by default, so no installation is needed. You don't need to install anything. Emmet comes pre-installed in Visual Studio Code. All you need is to make sure it's enabled. So to check if Emmet settings is enabled or not, go to settings, search for Emmet, and make sure features like Emmet trigger expansion on tab are turned on. Now start using Emmet. Write something like ULLI 5 and hit the tab key, and that's it. Emmet expands it into a full HTML instantly. You can use Emmet in CSS too. For example, type annotate and press tab. It becomes noisy 10 pixel. And that's it. Emmet is ready to go in Visual Studio Code. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.